My name is Patricia Regier, and I'm going to show you here in CyberLink PowerDirector how to adjust something that you might be looking for the solution. When you select record, this box will disappear, and on the bottom ribbon of my computer I can open that back up, and I have it on a different monitor usually than what I'm screen recording, so I can adjust here on the side. This is where ahead of time correct webcam, correct mic, but you can turn this on and off after you've started screen recording. When you hover over, it will just make it a little bit bigger. And for this purpose, the solution to the problem that I was having and that you might be looking for is how do you change how faded you are. I had done this a while ago. It was great that I could fade or make myself more opaque, but I couldn't remember where do I fix this because I didn't want that anymore. And where it is here off to the right in the screen recorder. So it wasn't in the video settings. It wasn't in the webcam settings. It was here in the video overlay. When you click to show or hide the overlays, then you can also select here the settings here with the plus sign. Then this opens up. If you do want to show something like a thumbnail off in the corner, just know too if it's going to be covering up some of your navigation or what you're showing as a tutorial. That's probably why I made myself more faded before, but right now I don't want that. So I am able to see myself. This is where the little eye, and what I had before was that I was more opaque or more faded. There was only 25% of being able to see me. And what I want now is to make myself so you can fully see me off in the corner. I can show you this tutorial. Be aware that it's off in the left. If I turned on or added an image, that's the other option too, but I don't want that so that you can see these settings right here. If I made the recording bigger and I had room around and I knew that those were going to be shown in the corners, that's okay. But right now, the purpose of this video here on CyberLink PowerDirector is that this overlay, opaque, faded out, this is where you find it by editing the video overlay. Hope this is helpful to you. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share it, and hit subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thanks again, and until next time, my name is Patricia Regier. Using a screen recorder. Welcome back. My name is Patricia Regier. I am using the screen recorder built into the PowerDirector CyberLink. Okay, starting over.